In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two fields in Tableau using either the Create or Calculated field options. Combining fields can be a powerful tool to customize your data presentation, offering new insights and enhancing your report's clarity. Let's start by launching your Tableau application. Once you're in, access the worksheet where you want to perform this operation. Make sure your data source is connected and ready to manipulate. Now let's create a basic data visualization. This will lay the foundation for our demonstration. Begin by dragging the order date field onto the column shelf. Once you've done that, change the data type to month to give us a time-based view. Next, take the sales field and place it on the rows shelf. This will initiate a simple line graph showing sales over time. To add more color and meaning to this graph, drag the region field to the color section under the marks card. This action will provide distinction by coloring the graph lines based on different regions. With our visualization taking shape, let's dive into combining fields. Start by clicking on the category field found in the data pane and hold the Control key. While holding it, click on Subcategory. This selection allows us to merge these two fields. Next, click on the drop-down arrow adjacent to your selection, choose Create, and then select Combine Field. This action creates a new field that merges the two, giving you a combined perspective of category and subcategory. After creating the combined field, simply drag it to the rows shelf where you'll instantly see how it changes your graph's layout by breaking down sales data into a more detailed view by category and subcategory. For those who prefer working with calculated fields and maybe want a bit more control over the data manipulation, there's an alternate method. Click on Analysis in the top menu and choose Create Calculated Field. A new dialog box will appear. Here you can name your calculated field to keep things organized. Then you can type in a query that combines the fields, typically using a plus sign with quotation marks for spacing. Once you're happy with your formula, click OK. Your new calculated field will now appear in the data pane along with your other fields. Just like before, drag this newly created calculated field onto the rows shelf. You'll observe that the result is similar to the one achieved with the combined field method, but with the precision that calculated fields offer. These two approaches in Tableau allow you to tailor your data presentations precisely to your needs, whether quickly merging fields or customizing your visualization further with calculations. Both techniques are simple yet powerful, enhancing your data analysis capabilities significantly. And that's it for today. You've now mastered how to combine fields in Tableau. I hope this has been helpful and that you can effectively incorporate these techniques into your next Tableau project. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.